Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be explaining how to book an appointment for medical screening and also the procedures you are going to take, starting from logging into your portal, validating your payment, and most importantly booking the appointment. So the first thing, we are going to go to the website, which is something like this. So on the screen is the link of the website, but not to worry, I'm going to still attach the link of this website in the description of this video, so you can check the description of this video for the link. All right, so as you can see here, you see your username and your password. All right, so what you need to do is click on the medical screening and type the reg number. All right, so I'm going to type this is a reg number here, and I'll click validate payment. Okay, so I'm going to see this info: validation has been done, please check your email for login credentials. This is because this reg number has validated payment. So now all you need to do is to come to this dashboard here and type in your username and type your password, and you click on login. So that is how you log into your portal if you have validated your payment. All right, so now for those that have not validated payments, you click on medical screening again. So let me type the reg number first. Okay, so my reg number, then I click validate payment. So you will see this message: payment was received successfully and you may proceed to log into your student area. Check mail for login instruction, thanks. So now the next thing is to head straight to your email. All right, head straight to your email. In your email you will see your login detail to access your portal. Alright, so this is my notepad, and so I'll just copy the password from here and head straight to the portal because I already have the reg number. So I'll type in the password, then the username, alright, which is the reg number, and click on login. So once I click on login, I'm going to see this dashboard, and you see please ensure to book appointment and complete medical screening before Friday 7th of November. This means that you need to do everything before 7th of November. So now click the book appointment. So we are going to see this message: you cannot book screening appointment yet, please complete medical form. Click on the complete medical form and you see all of these details, date of birth and everything. Basically all of these is just to know the health performance or the health status of your family and also your health status. So click and fill everything depending on how all of these affects you or how all of this relates to you. Okay, so these are just what you see for your medical form. So once you have done that, the next thing is now to go back to your dashboard, just what we are seeing here, and you click on the book appointment. Then after you have clicked on book appointment, the next thing is to select your date. All right, so but as we can see here, you see that this person has already booked a date, which is Tuesday 10th of Tuesday 21st of October, 8 a.m. So you just need to select a date that you are convenient with, and please ensure that you are well prepared for screening before you book an appointment. So what am I trying to say? Don't be in haste to just rush and come for your medical screening. Ensure that you are well prepared for resumption before you come for your screening, but ensure that all of this is done within the time range. Remember the time range is 7th of November. So that is the date that's medical screening for 2025-2026 admission end. So if you are watching this video to this point, do well to hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to our channel. Like this video, share to your fellow freshers who will find this video beneficial.